Hey everyone, this is the Almighty. I wanted to show you that I've got a replacement Apple Airpods because my original ones that I bought with my AirPods are not working. So here's what I got from Apple. Here's the unboxing. So I got this package, which was really fast in about 3 or 4 days. So it comes with instructions, tells you what the AirPods are, how they're packaged, how to put them back, because I have to ship back the original ones. So here's how they're packaged. It's pretty nice. See, here's one, here's the other one, and of course they are assembled in Vietnam. And there's the pins and serials. So I have my replacements. I'll get in. Alright, so I got my boxes here. Here's my new AirPod, and I'm gonna replace it. Here's my old one that's not working. So here it is. Here's my new right AirPod. Alright. So we'll take out my old AirPod and put that in here. We'll do the same with the other one. Old one. Here's my left one. And here's the instructions on how to pair it. Here's the old one. And that's it. That's what I got. So now I gotta ship them back. And it comes with the papers here, the instructions how to ship it back. I'll put it back in this box and send it right back. And I'll have my new AirPods. So that's how you get a replacement. And I will be sending those back. This I will be keeping my original. And this one's working fine and charges fine, so there's no need to replace. So they only replaced my earphones. Alrighty then. Hope you liked the replacement video. See you guys later.